Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. Today I actually have a double unbox with me from SoCal Beauty. I hope you guys enjoy it. I do have some really good goodies in here. And if you guys stay tuned to the end of the video, I am giving away a little something. So see if you actually qualify to be able to enter the giveaway at the end of this video. But without further ado, I'm gonna go get my scissors. Make sure you guys hit subscribe and I will see you in a minute. So I have my handy dandy scissors. I know, probably should use a box cutter, but will we? Not today. All right, so first things first, got these goodies. I'm gonna open these bad boys up. Oh, I love their packaging, you know, they do it all, you know, designer lash guide, I love it. Well, that's the eyeliner guide, and then they give you like this little packing slip. So in here, let's empty the whole thing, just so we don't have to look at that. So I have some designer magnets. It's just so I can more so like customize my sets that I make for my clients. It really helps tailor this to, you know, a person's specific eye shape. As well as I do have some designer liner here. I have it in black, clear, and brown. I personally never tried the brown, but you know, fall vibes. So, you know, we're gonna bring in the brown and see how people like it or if people like it. But 9 times out of 10, it's from designer lashes, so people like it. I know last year they had a pumpkin spice color, but I'm not sure if they chose to carry that this year. So please bring it back so I can get my hands on it. Thank you, Brittany. Well, if you guys didn't know, my name's Brittany, but the creator for SoCal Beauty, her name's Brittany too, so I promise I'm not talking to myself, even though that does happen on occasion. But yeah, so that's it for that package. So yeah, I'm gonna crack this bad boy open, and so the piece de resistance. So guys, if you guys didn't know, this month SoCal Beauty actually has these gorgeous kits for Collab for a Cause. If you guys want to purchase one, down below, feel free. I'm gonna give you guys my link. It gives you, I think, some money off of your SoCal Beauty order. I'm not sure if this will, you know, go into it, just because it's a charitable donation. And it also actually leads me to my giveaway. So these are the Collab for a Cause kits. If you are a lash artist, you can design a set for someone currently battling cancer. It comes in with this like little designer, you know, lash kit, as well as it gives you a black designer liner. You also get the clear liquid liner, as well as you get this like cute little like blue beauty tool. And then you also get this Lash Reality, which I'm gonna open just because I want to see what they're giving. Right, and then it comes with this little book. Ooh, it's wrong. Good. Comes with this little lash book of C curl lashes. It leads from anywhere from 8mm all the way to 16, if you guys can see that. And then also, ooh, gives you a little Lash Reality pen. This was a collab between SoCal Beauty and Lash Reality. So if you guys are a lash artist, there's still a few days that you can, I believe, purchase these. I think there's actually a few more kits you can still purchase. And I think it's really awesome that they're able to team up and do this. There is an address that you're supposed to send the kit to, and then they distribute it to someone who needs it. But I actually purchased 2 just because I actually want to distribute one myself. So that actually leads me to my giveaway. So if you know someone that is currently battling cancer or is a survivor of any type of cancer that would love a designer lash set, please let me know down below. But I am gonna have a full like entry detail for the giveaway on Instagram. So it's at Tweezer Happy if you guys wanna go enter, or you wanna go send someone over to enter. This actually costs nothing for them to enter, and it is open worldwide. I'm gonna bite the bullet on the shipping. I feel like it's for a really good cause. So if you know someone that is in dire need for designer lashes, I will be giving away a set in the Collab for a Cause kit. And yeah, I can't wait to see who ends up winning it. But yeah, without further ado, guys, that is all I have for you guys in this unbox with me today. So please feel free to you know, comment down below what you liked about this video or what you want to see next, and I look forward to seeing you guys in my next one. Bye!